Statistics show that the SUV market has exploded in the last decade. But not all SUVs are built the same. Some look great on paper, but fall apart after a few years. Others deliver power but struggle with long-term reliability. And then, there are the rare mid-size SUVs that keep going year after year without complaint. These are the models that don't just survive, they excel. They pass 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, and in the right hands, even more. After digging deep into long-term reliability studies, owner reports, maintenance records, and 2025 durability rankings, I've put together a list of the most reliable midsize SUVs of 2025. These vehicles offer the perfect blend of modern features, comfort, and engineering that stands the test of time. If you want a midsize SUV that will serve you for years, even decades, this is where your search begins. So buckle up, because these SUVs aren't just good, they're built for the long haul. 1. Toyota Highlander. For years, the Toyota Highlander has been one of the benchmarks for midsize SUV reliability, and the 2025 model continues that legacy without missing a beat. Whether you choose the hybrid or the gasoline version, the Highlander remains one of the most dependable family SUVs on the market. Mileage data shows countless Highlanders crossing 300,000 to 400,000 miles with routine maintenance. Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid system is one of the most proven engines ever produced, and the brand's 3.5-liter V6 history speaks for itself. The 2025 Highlander benefits from Toyota's refined TNGA platform, improved battery cooling, and an even smoother electric-gas balance. Owners praise it for its predictable performance, comfortable ride, and affordable long-term ownership. Nothing is overstressed, nothing is overcomplicated. It's simply built to last. And when reliability is your top priority, few SUVs can compete with the Highlander. Transitioning from Toyota's family star, let's move to another SUV that dominates long-term reliability charts, the Honda Pilot. 2. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot has always been one of the safest bets in the SUV world, and the 2025 model brings stronger reliability than ever. Redesigned recently with a tougher, more rugged exterior and improved drivetrain, the Pilot continues to prove why Honda has such a loyal following. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine is engineered for longevity. Owner data frequently reports Pilots passing 250,000 to 350,000 miles, and many reach over 400,000 miles without engine or transmission failure. Honda's intelligent traction system, reinforced transmission cooling, and durable suspension make the Pilot one of the most dependable three-row SUVs available today. Families love it because it doesn't give surprises. No weird failures, no recurring issues, no expensive headaches. It's a vehicle designed for people who want peace of mind. And when it comes to mid-size reliability, the Honda Pilot is always among the top performers. Next, let's look at a Toyota SUV known for its simplicity, durability, and legendary long-term lifespan, the Toyota 4Runner. 3. Toyota 4Runner. If reliability had a rugged off-road nameplate, it would be the Toyota 4Runner. At a time when most SUVs are becoming more complicated and electronics dependent, the 4Runner stays true to traditional durability. No turbos, no complex engine setups, just a rock-solid 4.0-liter V6 that has proven capable of 300,000 to 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. The 2025 4Runner hasn't changed much mechanically, and that's exactly why people love it. Simple, overbuilt components, a time-tested transmission, heavy-duty suspension, and a body-on-frame design built to survive abuse that would destroy a typical crossover. Owners praise the 4Runner for being old school in the best way. It's dependable, predictable, and nearly impossible to kill. Whether you're tackling daily commutes, mountain roads, or off-road trails, the 4Runner is an SUV that refuses to quit. From rugged durability, let's shift to comfort and refinement with one of the most reliable luxury midsize SUVs of 2025, the Lexus RX. 4. Lexus RX 350/RX 500h. The Lexus RX has dominated the luxury reliability charts for 2 decades. And the 2025 model continues its reputation as a premium SUV that lasts far longer than most of its rivals. Lexus engineering is all about overbuilding, and this SUV proves it. The 2025 RX 350's 2.4-liter turbo engine is refined and durable, while the RX 500h performance hybrid uses upgraded components designed for long-term dependability. Owners consistently report RX models surpassing 300,000 to 450,000 miles, with very few mechanical issues. Inside, the luxury materials barely age. Outside, the body and paint quality remain excellent. And under the hood, the Lexus Hybrid drive system is one of the most reliable in the world, often more durable than gasoline engines. If you want a midsize SUV that blends comfort, technology, and bulletproof reliability, the Lexus RX remains the gold standard. Next, we move to a Subaru legend known for safety, long-term value, and all-weather capability, the Subaru Outback. 5. Subaru Outback. While some may argue that the Outback sits between a wagon and an SUV, its size, capability, and reliability firmly place it in the midsize SUV category for many buyers. And in 2025, the Outback continues to be one of Subaru's most dependable vehicles. The Outback's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine is one of the brand's most reliable power plants. Owners consistently report 250,000 to 350,000 miles with ease. Subaru's symmetrical AWD system is durable, rugged, and built for harsh weather and rough terrain. What sets the Outback apart is its combination of safety-focused engineering and simple mechanical design. It doesn't rely on complicated turbocharging or excessive electronics, and that's why it lasts longer. Families, adventurers, and long-distance travelers trust the Outback because it's the definition of consistency. Next up is a rising star in the reliability world, the Mazda CX-9's successor, the Mazda CX-90. 6. Mazda CX-90. Mazda's newer models have shown dramatic improvements in engineering quality, and the CX-90, introduced to replace the legendary CX-9, continues this trend with impressive reliability for 2025. Built on Mazda's new longitudinal platform, the CX-90 uses a robust inline-six engine and an equally durable plug-in hybrid system option. The simplicity of the power delivery, strengthened transmission structure, and improved cooling make it one of Mazda's most reliable SUVs ever. Owners appreciate the premium feel, sharp handling, and build quality that rivals luxury brands. Early long-term data shows the CX-90 is engineered for 200,000 to 300,000 plus miles, and Mazda's new powertrains have shown very few failures. The CX-90 proves that you don't need to choose between style and reliability. You can have both. Next, let's explore a Korean SUV that has made huge strides in long-term dependability, the Hyundai Santa Fe. 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe has grown into a surprisingly reliable mid-size SUV over the last decade. The 2025 model benefits from improved software, refined engines, and durable 8-speed transmissions that have significantly reduced long-term issues. Modern Santa Fes regularly reach 200,000 to 250,000 miles, and the newer hybrid trims are proving equally durable. Hyundai has invested heavily in engineering quality and material upgrades, making the Santa Fe one of the best value reliable SUVs in its class. Drivers love its comfort, safety features, and quiet ride. And with Hyundai's warranty and upgraded components, the Santa Fe stands as a strong, dependable option for long-term ownership. From modern value, we turn to an SUV that has been a reliability champion for nearly 2 decades, the Kia Sorento. 8. Kia Sorento. Kia's reputation has changed dramatically, and today, the Sorento is one of the most dependable midsize SUVs of 2025. Its hybrid and turbocharged engines have undergone multiple generations of refinement, resulting in smoother, longer-lasting performance. Owner reports for recent Sorento models show vehicles reaching 200,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. The 2025 model's improved cooling systems, upgraded electronics, and stronger drivetrains ensure even better longevity. One major advantage is its versatility. Available in gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid configurations. Kia's build quality has risen to the point where the Sorento stands toe-to-toe with Japanese competitors in long-term dependability. Next, we shift to an American SUV known for toughness and off-road capability. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, non-turbo models. 9. Jeep Grand Cherokee V6. Jeep might not always be the first name people think of when discussing reliability. The Grand Cherokee's naturally aspirated 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6 is a proven engine with a strong track record. Many Grand Cherokees with this engine have surpassed 250,000 to 300,000 miles, thanks to simple engineering and easy serviceability. The 2025 model benefits from updated electronics, suspension improvements, and a durable AWD system that handles daily use and rugged terrain equally well. While turbocharged or high-performance versions may require more maintenance, the standard V6 Grand Cherokee is surprisingly dependable for long-term ownership. For buyers who want a balance of comfort, capability, and reliability, this SUV remains a solid choice. Finally, we reach a vehicle that combines luxury, durability, and long-term value better than almost any other midsize SUV. The Acura MDX. 10. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX has long been one of the most dependable luxury midsize SUVs, and the 2025 model strengthens that reputation even further. Using Honda's trusted 3.5-liter V6 paired with a refined 10-speed automatic, the MDX is engineered for longevity and smooth performance. Owners regularly report MDXs reaching 250,000 to 350,000 miles, and many exceed 400,000 with proper care. Acura's focus on mechanical simplicity, high-quality materials, and reliable electronics makes the MDX one of the smartest luxury purchases for long-term use. It offers premium comfort, sharp handling, advanced technology, and, most importantly, rock-solid dependability. For buyers who want a luxury SUV that won't become a maintenance nightmare, the MDX stands at the top of the list. Final thoughts. All 10 SUVs on this list share one clear philosophy. Reliability is built, not advertised. These manufacturers invest in strong engine design, durable transmissions, and materials that survive real-world usage. Whether you choose Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, Lexus, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, or Acura. Each model here is engineered to last far beyond standard ownership cycles. With proper maintenance, these 2025 midsize SUVs can easily deliver 200,000 to 400,000 plus miles, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most reliable midsize SUVs of 2025, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos, including the best affordable SUVs, fuel-efficient crossovers, and vehicles built to last over 500,000 miles. Let me know in the comments which SUV on this list is your favorite, or which one you want to buy next.